In this video, we're going to see how magnetism helps the air pump produce the bubbles in your fish tank. To understand it, we're going to look inside. You should be very careful about removing the cover on your air pump because they run from mains electricity, which is dangerous if you don't take safety precautions. In these slow motion clips, we can see that this part vibrates backwards and forwards, which causes the rubber to move in and out. We've got a few different angles that you can watch it from. The basic idea is that this bit of rubber should move backwards and forwards, and when it moves this way, it sucks air in through a one-way valve, and then when it pushes the other way, it pushes the air out through a one-way valve, which then goes through the tube to your aquarium. But why does this bit vibrate backwards and forwards? The first thing that's crucial is this bit. We can prove that it's a permanent magnet by attracting some paper clips with it. The next crucial bit is this coil, which has got an iron core like this. In this clip you can see the two ends of the iron core, and this is the coil, and the coil is connected to the live wire and the neutral wire, and then through the mains lead to the socket. When current flows through the coil, then the two ends of the core will become the two opposite poles of the electromagnet which is formed. If I give you the key information that mains electricity is alternating current, which means it keeps reversing direction, can you now work out why this magnet keeps going backwards and forwards? Pause the video whilst you think. Let's assume that the permanent magnet has a north pole on this side and a south pole on the other side, which I could label here as a north pole and a south pole. And let's assume to begin with that the electromagnet has a north pole here and a south pole here, which would be a north pole here and a south pole here, and that would be when the current was flowing clockwise around the coil. The two north poles repel each other, and so there is a force on the permanent magnet in this direction, which causes it to move. But by the time it's moved to here, the mains electricity has reversed its direction, so the current in the coil is now flowing anti-clockwise, and the poles of the electromagnets therefore switch. That causes the force on the permanent magnet to reverse and experiences a force backwards in the other direction. Mains electricity has a frequency of 50 Hz, so this change in direction of the current happens 100 times a second, which causes the permanent magnet to vibrate backwards and forwards a large number of times per second. So next time you're watching bubbles rising up in a fish tank, you can think about how magnetism is making the air pump work. As I did at the start of the video, I'd like to advise you against opening up an air pump which runs off mains electricity without taking suitable safety precautions. I hope you found this video interesting.